Want to watch Flujo TV on your Firestick but don't know how to install it? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Flujo TV on Firestick. From your Firestick home screen, move over to Find and select Search. In the search bar, type Downloader and choose the Downloader app by AFTV News from the list. Download it and wait for the installation to finish. Once Downloader is installed, go back to your Firestick settings. Open My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. From there, open Install Unknown Apps and enable it for the Downloader app. This allows you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. After enabling it, open the Downloader app. In the URL box, type in the APK code or the official Flujo TV website link. Once the website loads, scroll down and find the Download button. Select it and wait for the Flujo TV APK file to finish downloading. When prompted, click Install, then wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you can open Flujo TV directly or find it later in Your Apps and Channels. And that's it. You've successfully installed Flujo TV on your Firestick. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.